Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. This is the setup for my new planner. This is running late because last week I went to the last part of June, I went to an EdTech conference, and so I was doing that, and then I got home and I was tired, and then it's the holiday, and then I wanted to film about these pens first before I showed them in my video, so this is a little late, but girl has had this planner since, I want to say April, so I knew what I was doing. So it is another happy planner because I'm just a happy planner girl. That's just how it is. And this one has beautiful butterflies. Sorry about the lighting. Again, I've not set up lights. Feeling lazy. We're going old school. The back, it looks like this. The inside covers are like this. It's super pretty. I really like these long ones. They have just been really work for my daily life. I like my monthly. I kind of wish it was a little bigger for the monthly because some days it tends to be that there tends to be a lot on one day. I don't really use this one, but I might use this part with like circling something. I don't know. We'll see. But these are what the weeks look like. It's just a nice horizontal look, and I like it. You've seen it before. These are the different months with the pretties. I just love them so much. So what I'm gonna do is, because I got my new pens, I'm glad I didn't do this because I got my new pens and I'm redoing how I'm going to do things. So because these are erasable markers from Friction, which if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. They also have highlighters like this. I'm going to use these. I'm going to color coordinate. I used to do this as a kid. I'm going back. I've been doing really simple planning with just a few stickers. And yeah, I've really been enjoying it being more simplified. Planner decorating was really fun, but I just don't have the time to devote to it like I used to. So anyways, if that's you, that's no shame on, like, it's just not my thing anymore as much. I think some days I still want to, and yeah, now I'm just rambling. I'm good at that, aren't I? So I'm going to use this green for payday, purple for birthdays, blue for like fun activities, and then pink for work activities, including like days off. So in front of me, I actually have my work planner, which is a happy planner. It goes until the end of December, and it already has my work stuff in here. So I have September there. Actually, I should pull up August since we start work in August. So I'm going to fill this out. I also have some stickers. They are missing some on both sheets. So I think I'm just going to do the first 6 months, so to December, and then I'll just steal these ones for those dates. I haven't decided if I want to put them in here or just go straight here. I think I just put them in the monthly, like the weekly view. And then maybe later I'll get another set and put them somewhere else. So that's what we're gonna do. I've got my little cheat sheet here so I know, and my other on my lap. So July, the only thing is 4th of July. I don't even know what we're doing. So I'm not even gonna put anything. And I just dropped my planner. Hold on. Oh. I literally am so comfortable. By the way, there's a nice little daisy right here next to me. She has 2 boxes next to each other. This one has blanket, one doesn't. Daisy. So, anyways, let's see if I can get this back the way I had it. There we go. If you like chaos planning, that's me for sure today. So let's see, July 4th is Independence Day. Woo woo. So I'm going to put that here, just like that. And so that's all of that. August, I actually do have stuff, and it's work stuff. Oh, July, I do have a trip planned. I forgot about that. How could I forget? I'm so excited for that trip too. So we're going to go back here, and I can't remember if it's the 20th. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. This is where the erasable pen will be good, because I think it's the 23rd trip. We're going to Fayetteville. It might be the 24th through the 26th. So we will find out, because it's on my other thing. And I just did that in the wrong color. So I've got to let that dry. Otherwise it smears like it just did. Chaos planning. But we get to watch it erase. Because, yeah. And the way that these work is they're heat. So if you leave your planner out in the sun, it will erase all your writing. But all you have to do to get it back is put it in the fridge. Okay, I'm going to leave that because obviously I do not know when stuff is, but payday is on the 31st. So I'm just going to put payday because paydays are nice, and you can't even see that because the angle is not great, and I'm sorry. Okay, August. Work for me starts the 12th. Back. But the students start on the 15th. Okay, that's all I have for August. There are no holidays, so let's go to September. We do have Labor Day off, so I'm going to put that down. So, again, pink. The second is no work. Wait, I think August has a teacher work day, doesn't it? Nope. I thought we had a teacher work day in there. But we don't. So then I'm going to go to the second and do a Labor Day. Woohoo. And then I'm gonna add here, no work. No work. Okay. October. Oh, gotta go back to August because I just forgot about birthdays. My sister's birthday. She is the 29th. Okay. And now we'll go to October. Chaos planning at its finest. This is how my brain works, so haha. Okay. So first, let's put in, I didn't put in September's payday. It'll be the 30th. We get paid on the last day of the month, unless it's like a holiday. Okay. Or a weekend. Okay, so I do have some stuff in October. We have a no work on the 17th and 18th. And we have a professional development day on the 16th. And then I have a couple birthdays. I have my dad's birthday. and one of my best friends. And then my grandma's birthday. This is hard to do at this angle. She is a Halloween baby. So we've got that. Okay. So we do have a Halloween sticker we need to put in. And then I'll go in probably later and grab my Tigaros for birthdays and stuff. I'll go and do those later. Oh, we forgot first day of autumn. I am not doing very good at this. I'm sorry. Okay, so first day of autumn this year is the 22nd. So I'll go like that. And bam. Okay, now we can go to October 31st and put down Halloween. Next is fall back, which is using my reference guide here. Okay, so November, lots of stuff for work in November. We have the 25th is the start of Thanksgiving break. Then on the 1st, we have off, or is it PD? No, it's PD, which I'm totally fine with because it means I won't have kids on a super sugar high. Okay, so we have Thanksgiving. Those are all the work stuff. So now let's go into the actual pages. And we have, on the 3rd is our fall back. Oops. So that's actually back here. We fall back on November 3rd. Then we have voting on the 5th. So grab my little vote sticker. Woo woo. The 11th is Veterans Day. Lots of holidays in November. And then we have Thanksgiving on the 28th. And then, oh, I forgot one thing. Payday, it will be on, oh, will it be that? That's a holiday. Here's the problem. I think it's this day. I'm pretty sure it's that day. Okay, December, and then, okay, so much stuff, but not really. I swear there's another day in here that we had off, but I may not have written it down. Okay, so Christmas break starts on the 23rd, which is awesome. Christmas, winter break, whatever you call it. I like to call it Christmas break. That could have been much straighter, but my angle is my angle. So this means the 31st is a payday. It might actually go in early. Sometimes it goes in on the 31st. Sometimes it goes in there. It just depends. Let's see, what else? That's pretty much it. And then we can put in Christmas. Oh, we didn't put in like Black Friday. I forgot I had those stickers. Let's go back. Okay. See, this is why I should just keep my stickers in front of me. And then the 2nd is Cyber Monday. And then the first day of winter is 21st. And then we've got Christmas and Christmas Eve. And New Year's Eve. Got them all stacked nicely, except for I had them out of order. Christmas Eve was also my grandpa's birthday. So to me, since we always celebrated on that day, that feels like Christmas to me. Oops, wrong one. And then New Year's Eve. So that is my setup with my new planner for like my personal life, stuff like that. If you want to see me set up my work planner, let me know. I may switch it up. Well, I am going to switch it up this year a little bit. I just need to figure it out. So let me know in the comments below if you want to see that, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.